Welcome back to ClearTask. If you're trying to open Spotify and getting the annoying "the Spotify application is not responding" error, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and simple method to fix this issue without losing your downloaded songs or getting logged out. Let's get started. First, open your Windows Start menu and click on Settings. Next, on the left panel, click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. In the search bar at the top, search for Spotify. Once Spotify appears, click on the three dots on the right side and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down until you see the Reset section. Here, click on the Repair button. Windows will quickly attempt to fix any corrupted app files. Don't worry, repairing the app will not clear your data or log you out of your account. If you happen to get an error saying, "We couldn't repair this app," simply click the Terminate button just above it. This completely stops Spotify from running in the background. Once terminated, try clicking the Repair button again and it should work perfectly. Finally, close the settings window and reopen Spotify. The application should now launch smoothly with no problems. If this quick fix helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.